Inside Stuff with Martins Oloja today is on recognizing opportunities in COVID-19 crisis. Let us look at this very apt quote from John F. Kennedy. He said at the time, the Chinese used 2 brush strokes to write the word crisis. One brush stroke stands for danger, the other for opportunity. In a crisis, be aware of the danger, but recognize the opportunity. John F. Kennedy. This is a very relevant message for us today to begin to encourage ourselves about opportunities that can arise from the current coronavirus crisis. And it has become a leveler. Last week, we talked about the opportunity for our power elite to learn. Because now they are trapped in their country, it's an opportunity for them to see the leveler that this one has become, to look within and develop human development issues in the country, especially the education and health sectors, that they need to develop them now. We don't need to be analyzing anymore. This is a crisis that has brought about that opportunity. And for us generally, instead of reading from the book of Lamentation, instead of lambasting our leaders that they did this, they did that, they don't have the right and the legal authority to do this or that, we also should begin to look at ourselves and see what we can get from the current crisis. There are opportunities, there are possibilities after all. For instance, so many of us have been made to work from home. What can we get from that? It means that if we actually improve our social technologies, we improve our system, there are certain things we can begin to do from home. This is a virtual world. With digital technologies, there are certain things we can begin to do from home. There are certain ways we can begin to examine our personal hygiene, the way we do things, the way we have not been washing our hands, the way we have been interacting, the way we have been wasting time with social this and that here and there. We begin to look within and say we can actually exercise some discipline. Not only that, even government should begin to look at opportunities that are available in Nigeria. Instead of the Federal Ministry of Finance apologizing, or after apologizing, so to speak, they should begin to listen to people like Innocent Group of companies. Yes, the auto company in Nigeria, who has actually, the company has actually asked the federal government to just give it 4 billion naira, and they will begin to, within a few weeks, manufacture ventilators. I think this is what they should have done, instead of asking somebody from abroad to just supply them, that they are now apologizing. Why let them not apologize anymore? They should recognize the opportunities that are available inside Nigeria, instead of demonizing some of these companies. Let's see what we can do. For authorities at federal and state levels, they should begin to look at why mass transit system that should be working at this time to manage and maneuver through this lockdown, not available anywhere. Even in the center of excellence, we call Lagos, where everybody looks up to, the mass transit system has not worked well. This is an opportunity to look at how to overhaul the system to work as a megapolis. Not only that, even for us as individuals, we should begin to ask questions about our local government system. Why is it that local government system works everywhere? In most of the developed parts of the world, it is the mayor of this and that, mayor of New York, Cuomo that we know now, the mayor of New York, a governor of New York, mayor of New York, mayor of this, mayor of that, mayor of London, mayor of this, mayor of that. Local government system should be working. Ours has not been working. Even where they are supposed to be involved with orientation, just civic education, telling people not to be playing football in the street, telling people about social standing. They are not doing that. They are totally absent at this time. It's another opportunity to look at our local government system, a national orientation agency, local orientation agency that is not working. But all told, I think we need to look within. Instead of looking at this problem, we should look at the Chinese model of looking at a crisis as an opportunity to develop our country, to develop ourselves, to develop our community, and to actually look within and exercise more discipline. Viewers, drop your views at the comment section for the debate to continue. This is Inside Stuff with Martins Oloja, The Guardian, Nigeria.